Today we're gonna draw gingerbread man because it's holidays, okay? First, we're gonna start with his head. Hold on to your paper. We're gonna do half a circle, okay? So be careful of your position because we need a lot of room to draw his body. Okay, so near the top but not all the way touching. Okay, we're gonna draw his arms. To the left, we're gonna do a arm here. And then we'll come down, curve to the left, and do his foot. So down first, and then curve. Okay, stop there. So this is between his legs. We're gonna come over here to the right. Okay, arms are round.
Daddy, I wanna, can we do next gingerbread man, but a ninja?
So now we're gonna draw his eyes. Big black eyes here. Are you paying attention? Okay, it's gonna be a big smile. And we're gonna have a bow here on his neck.
No, it's easy.
Like a butterfly wing. We'll have a couple buttons underneath that.
I'm gonna do his wiggly arm.
So this decoration, Charlotte, it looks like a worm. Okay.
No.
It's the middle and doesn't touch.
Daddy, next one, can we do a gingerbread girl?
No.
What are we doing?
Next, we're gonna draw a stocking with a present inside it, okay? So this is what we're gonna do.
Draw gingerbread man.
So we're gonna do stocking. We're gonna start with the top of the stocking. Okay, it's gonna be a rectangle. Okay, can you draw yours? Same size as mine. Okay. The stocking is gonna be a little bit curved to the left. Okay. Let's make yours a little bit more curved so it looks more like a stocking. Okay, like a foot. Remember Santa's foot that you drew? Can you fix that so it's more curved?
I'll make it like more bigger.
Okay, good. And then we're gonna have a little bit of design here. So we're gonna have a little, it's like a different color on the toe and the heel. Okay. And then we're going to add a little hook right here on the edge. So you can hang it up. Okay, it's a loop-de-loop. Okay, so you need to draw yours in the corner so we have room to draw the present in the sock. Okay? So you're going to draw in the corner. You see where mine is? Yes. Okay, very good. And then we're gonna have a little candy cane sticking out of it. So we'll just do the top of the candy cane. Go up, okay? And then we'll do a curve back, like a hook. Okay? And then we'll have a little present. So the top of the box, okay?
Can you draw the thing inside of it?
Draw your box like this. Go to the right, straight, and then down. And then we're gonna do the bow on it. We're gonna do 2 strips in the middle. And we're gonna have a circle in the middle.
I know how to do this, Daddy.
And then we'll have the butterfly wing bows. Okay. So your bow, here, let's fix this bow. Okay, this part needs to be wider. So you see how this is wider than this? So this part is going to be longer. Okay, so come down. Go down lower. And then go back in. Okay. All right, now we're going to color the sock, okay?